guys, you're welcome to the second part of the video. So in this part of the video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to locate points on the Earth's surface. Okay, so in your examination, they'll be giving you some points, and your job is to locate those points using a well-labeled diagram. Okay, you have to locate those points on the surface of the Earth. So it is very, very simple. Now, let's take the first one. The first one here is we're given a point. We're given a point A. A is 33 degrees north. So the one that comes first is latitude. Take note of that. Your points will be given to you in this form: latitude, comma, longitude. What appears first, what will come first is latitude, followed by longitude. So anyone that has north or south, that's latitude. Anyone that has east or west is a longitude. So all the time, even based on the past question, all the time, your questions should be given to you in this form: latitude first, followed by longitude. So in this question, your latitude is 33 degrees north. Okay, so let's draw that one first. So the first thing to do, you draw a skeleton, which is what we have done here: a circle divided into 4 equal parts. You draw your equator, then you dot the back, then you label the equator. This is the equator, 0 degrees. Now let's do 33 degrees north. So north is at the top part here, and you know that all latitudes have this shape. All latitudes look like this. All latitudes look like this. So let's just draw that. So just pick any arbitrary point here, pick another one here, and just go like this. Then join it with a straight line. Then you can now dot the back, which is ending the back of the Earth. Then you label it. This is 33 degrees north. The next part is to do the longitude, which is 42 degrees west. Don't forget that if you have your longitude as west and east. If it's on the western side, it will bend like this. If it's on the eastern side, it will look like this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here right now. So 42 degrees west is on the western side, so it's going to come like this from the north to the south, because longitudes move from north to south. So it's going to come like this. So once you get that, now label it. This is 42 degrees, then you put your west there. Okay, so it is where this line, where your latitude of 33 degrees north and 42 degrees west, where they meet, where they intersect, is where point A will be. That point A might be a location of a particular place. So it's where they intersect that you will put as point A, which is point A. The next thing to do is to join that point A to the center of this large circle, which is this point here. You join that point A to that particular point like this. Okay. Once you have done that, you label that particular line. This line, the length of this line is called R. This R is the radius of the Earth, and it has a constant value of 6,400 kilometers. Okay, always do that. Always join the point to the center of the Earth. The next part, this is a large circle here. You can see this circle here is bigger than this circle here. This equator is bigger than this equator. So the distance of any point to the center of that equator is capital R. But the distance of that point to any small circle, this is a small circle here, because this one is tiny, very small. This distance from here to this part here is what is called small r. Small r. And that small r is called the radius. You call it the radius of parallel of latitude. Okay, that's what it is called. So distance from here to here, small r. Distance from here to here, big R. Okay, and this small r and big R are related by a formula, which will be given to you later. So this is the location of point A. Very, very simple. I hope you understand. Please, if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section so I can re-explain it again for you. Let's take the next one. The next one is 42 degrees south, and 138 degrees east. So the first one that comes first is always latitude. then followed by longitude. So let's do the first one. We have 42 degrees south. 42 degrees south is at the bottom part here. This is it here. After drawing your skeleton, you draw your major shape, you labeled everything, your cardinal point. So 42 degrees south is down here. So just pick a point here, pick a point here. This is a latitude. So the shape is always, will always be like this. So you just go like this. You join this part, then you dot here. Then you label it as 42 degrees south. It is south because it's at the bottom part. That's why it is south. So you have done that. So this is the latitude. Let's move on to the longitude part. The longitude part, what we have here is 138 degrees east. This is longitude. Since on the eastern side, it's going to bend like this. Okay, so just move like that from the north to the south pole. So we move like this down here. Move like this down here. So we move like this. You label it 138 degree east. So it is where this line and where this longitude and this latitude intersect, where they meet. That is where the point is. So they are meeting at this point here. So this point here is called B. This is point B. This is point B. So you join B. You have to join B to the center of the small circle. That will be small r. Then you join this same B to the center of the bigger circle here. This will be capital R, just like we did for the first one. Okay, so this is how you locate points on the Earth's surface. These are just for individual points. You can have questions that will tell you to locate points that have something in common. Okay, that's 2 points on the same diagram. So these ones are just separate diagrams for only a single point. I hope you understand. Okay, so that's how you locate points. We'll move to the next part of the video now. Okay, so this is the last section of the video. So we are talking about the location of 2 points on the Earth's surface. Okay, if you're just joining us, please, this is EduMath Hub. Like and subscribe to the channel. Keeps us going. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Now let's move on to the next part. Location of 2 points on the Earth's surface. Now this is how you locate 2 points on the Earth's surface. So you'll be given 2 points that will have something in common. So they will have a particular part, maybe the latitude part or the longitude part, that will be common or be the same. So something must always be similar or the same whenever you want to locate 2 points on the Earth's surface. So look at point X, for example. So point X is 42 degree north, 40 degree west. You can see that right here. Then Y is 42 degree north, 35 degree east. So you can see that this part is the same. This part is the same. Something must be the same. Take note of that. Something must be the same. Okay, so this part is the same, which is latitude. So to locate this point, you draw them in turns. So draw the first one first, which is X. So let's draw that. After doing your big skeleton, which is what you have here, your 4 cardinal points, you locate your equator, east, west, north, south. Then you start with the first point, which is X. So X is 42 degree north. So north is at the top part here. This is north. This is 0 degrees, so it's increasing like this. So just pick a point here. Pick a point here. Pick another point here. Then take this shape. This is how all latitudes look like. You join the middle. Then you dot this part here. Then you label this part as 42 degree north. 42 degree north. So that is the latitude for that. Y also has this same thing. So that means you're not going to draw it 2 times. This part is common to both of them. So what you're just going to draw is this, the right hand side, which is the longitude. So let's take the first one, which is 40 degree west. So 40 degree west is on the left hand side here. And you know that it's a longitude. All longitudes on the western side, they have this shape. Okay, on the eastern side, they have this shape. So since on the western side, it's going to have this shape. And it's going to move from north to south. So we just move like this and see how simple it is. Okay, then you label it. Always label it. Always label 40 degree west. Always label it. Then the next one is 35 degree east. Since on the eastern side, it's going to bend in this form. So let's go like that. So it's going to be like this. Then you label it this is what it's going to look like. So it is where both of them have this part in common. They have this latitude in common. So where they meet at that point is where the points are. This 40 degree is for x. You can see it here. It's for x. So this part here will be point x. Okay. Why this one there, 35 degree east, is for y. So that's about that. So 40 degree west is for x. 35 degree is for y. So these are the 2 points. You just put star there. Then the next thing is to join them to their common latitude. This is the center of the common latitude. So join here to this part and join here to this part. Then that distance will be small r. Don't forget to be small r. Small r. That is the radius of parallel of latitude. Then the next thing is to join both of them to the center of the big circle. The center of the big circle is here. So you join these 2 parts like this and these 2 parts like this. That distance will be capital R, which is the radius of the earth. So once you have done this, then you can now start any calculation you want to start with. But this is the basic diagram for the 2 points. Okay, so you can see it is very simple. Now I have another one here just to conclude this video. So this is the second part of how to illustrate points on the earth's surface involving 2 points. So for this second one, you have 2 points. C is 40 degrees south. This one is 35 degrees north. Then you have 80 degrees east, 80 degrees east. So something must be the same. This part is the same. So something must be the same. So the longitude part is the same in this case. So that means you're going to draw the longitude just once. So let's start with the longitude first. Let's draw this part first. So 80 degrees east. It's on the eastern side like this. So it's going to bend in this shape. So it's going to look something like this. So after doing that, just label it 80 degrees east. Okay. Now, once you label it, the next thing to do is to draw the remaining parts. So we have 40 degrees south. South is at the bottom part here. So you just draw your south. So south is like this. This is 40 degrees south. So 35 degree north, that one is up here. I'm drawing this one now. 35 degree north. So that's up here. So we go like this. Then you label that. You label it 35 degree north. So where they meet is the point of intersection of the points, the location of those points. So 40 degrees south is for C. So this part here is point C. This is point C. Okay. Now, since that's point C, the next one will be for point D, which is this point here. Okay. So I hope you understand. So that's how you locate those 2 points. And the next thing is to join them to the center. Joining here to this part. Join this one to this part. So this will be capital R, and this one too will be capital R. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you understand how to locate points on the Earth's surface. This is just an introduction to longitude and latitude for your WAEC, NECO, and JAMB. So I'm going to create another video after this to show you the calculation aspects. Okay, so if there's anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. Please share this video to a friend, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching up to this point. So goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.